see the thing in the paper the other day
Yes,
about the
400 koi.
koi? Some of them worth a couple $1,000.
So this is
Yeah, that's Mr. Tate.
I'm just saying this is
What?
whatever you say is getting recorded.
Oh, yes.
Just Mr. Tate.
Tate the Great. Bring it here, Tate.
Carson.
The fish are coming right up to him.
They think he's Tate. Do you still feed them every day?
Not every day, almost every day.
He's not in any hurry, is he? Oh, I'm sorry, this is Tate. He's never in a hurry.
Good boy. Good boy. Bring me the ting.
Good girl
Good
raising.
girl raising. He says I'm getting distracted. Where'd your ting go? Here, you want it again? Here, wait. Oh, you're gonna get your brother to go in? It's cool in there. Ready? Are you ready? Here we go. Ready? Okay, go get it. They're like,
Raisin's trying to move it with her nose. Carson, get over here.
Carson, we're gonna put you on a leash.
I'm going to get her another pyramid.
She's dipping her nose all the way in. Good boy. Hi there, mister. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yay! Yay!